Hello and welcome back to the channel, my friends. My name is Pokeskip, and today we're going to be opening 19 Vivid Voltage booster packs. So let's get into it, huh? So first we're going to start out with the code card. Okay, there we go. Enjoy, get something good. Then let's do our 4 count. I don't know why I keep always going let's do our 4 count, but I don't know. Telescopic Sight, Drone Rotom, Kakuna, Rockruff, Talo, Yanma, Wooper, Pikipek, Shuppet, Shyman, Hollow Rare, Shiny. Alright, let's get to the next one. Sorry it takes me so long to open up. I'm trying to learn, but code card, get something good. I don't know. How about it, guys? Am I doing a good job or a bad job? I don't know. Just tell me in the comments if you want me to change anything, because I'm still pretty new to this. I've been only doing it for like 2 months. Blitzel, Beldum, Milcery, Skidoo, Eevee, Poochyena, reverse, and Lucario, normal rare. That is a nice card. I've always been a fan of Lucario. Charizard is my favorite, then Pikachu, then Lucario. That's what happens when you grow up with the first gen, huh? Here you go, code card. Yeah, I wish I could have kept some of my stuff from when I was a child. Because literally when I came to this country is when Pokemon came out in this country. So it's kind of the same. Chimecho, Blitzel, Slugma, Wash Energy, Tornadus. Yeah, Hollow Rare. My family didn't have much money when we first came here, so it took me forever to talk my mom into buying me Pokemon cards and Yu-Gi-Oh cards and stuff. But she did what she could for me. My dad really didn't care much, but here you go, code card. But I've gotten back into it like 2-3 months ago, and I've been enjoying it. It's been helping me a lot with my mental health. I've always had issues. Aroma Energy, Aracuda, Ninkada, Pikipek, Poochyena, Rockruff, Cottony, Alistair, Full Art. Nice. What a beautiful card. Alright, let's put her in a sleeve. We gotta protect our nice looking cards, right? So we gotta sleeve it. Man, I'm so slow at sleeving. Alright, let's go to the next one. Alright, here we go. Code card, enjoy. Gonna do our 4 count. Okay, there we go. Lightning Energy, Nuzleaf, Memory Capsule, Giraffe Ring, Fanfy, Charmander, Wooper, Glaria Meowth, Cottony, Wishmer, Alcremie. Alright, let's go to the next pack. Alright. Come on. Okay. Here's the code card. I don't know what to talk about anymore. My brain is not working well. Okay, Fighting Energy. Krokorok. Aromatic Energy. Swallow. Electric. Execute. Eevee, Woobat, Arrokuda, Cherister Bath, Fortress, normal rare. Alright, here we go with the next one. So, if you're enjoying the video, please think about subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Here's the code card. And leave a comment telling me where I can improve if you guys want me to change anything. Fire Energy, Dusclops, Beauty, Windows Stadium, Execute, Eevee, Woobat, Arrokuda, C-Dot, Mega Cargo, Zeraora, Hollow Rare, beautiful card. Alright, let's go to the next pack. Sorry guys, I really don't know what to talk about. Like when I watch other people, they have so much to say. Code card. But I really don't know what to talk about. The weather? The weather is nice outside. Not really. It's raining. Psychic Energy. Swoobat. Dewott. League Staff. Wishmer. Drillbur. Wilmer. Cottonee. Clubopus. Mega Cargo. Again. Ninjust. Okay, let's go to the next one. So, if you guys want me to talk about anything, I don't know what to talk about. It's always the same. Here's the code card. Let's do the 4 count. Fighting Energy, Karkarock, Aromatic Energy, Swallow, Dynamo, Mercury, Glaria Meowth, Chameco, Blitzel, Duskull, and Explode is our rare. It's a normal rare. Let's get to the next pack. This one, I hope there's something good in it, because we've had nothing good except for that Alistair. Alright, here's the code card. Enjoy. I really do hope you guys get something good out of those code cards. Let's count them up. Okay, Psychic Energy, Nessa, Mega Cargo, Excadrill, Electrike, Pineco, Mudbray, Poochyena, Charmander, Skidoo, and Fortress. Not a normal rare. Okay, we're moving on to the next one. Good thing I have 19 packs to open. This is, I think, my biggest pack opening quite a while. Code card. Okay, so I hope you're enjoying the show. Metal Energy, Pinscher Chin, Telescope Sight, Drone Rotom, Joltik, Weedle, Talo, Sandil, Oshawott, Electrode, Mudsdale. Okay, normal rare again. Alright, let's go to the next one. Maybe we have some luck with the next one. I don't know. Okay, here's the code card. Enjoy. So, we're gonna do our 4 count again. And we're gonna start off with Fire Energy, Coding Energy, Heroes Metal, Glareon Stunfish, Blitzel, Slugma, Baldum, Mercury, Wooper, Telescopic Sight, Glareon Darmanitan V. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing these right. English is my second language, and I do have a reading disability, so it's kind of hard, you know, coming to this country and then learning the language and then learning all that other stuff like spelling and writing and reading, which I've always had issues with. But let's try and get it right? Code card. Okay. Let's go. Dark energy. Electric. Delmis. Galarian Stunkfish. Mudbray. Joltik. Weedle. Tailo. Sandal. Chatatot. Zygarda. I don't know. My pronunciation might be really horrible. I'm sorry, guys. I really am. Alright, let's go to the next pack. So, are you enjoying the show? I hope you are. Here's the code card. If you are enjoying the show, please subscribe if you're new and like the video. Fighting Energy, Galarian Stunfish, Aroma Energy, Mightyena, Nincada, Wishmer, Drillbur, Wilmer. Okay, sorry about that. Electrike, Stone Energy, Alcremie, no more rare again. Okay, let's go to the next one. So, let's go. I'm sorry I'm repeating myself. Here's the code card. I will think more about what to say. Fire Energy, Galarian Stunkfish, Aromatic Energy, Mightyena, Dudan, Pikipek, Chottle, Railu, Chimecho. Come on, let's go. Memory Capsule, Shinman, Hollow Rare. I think we already had one of those, didn't we? Okay. At least we got two of them to add to our collection now. So, here we go. Okay, here you go. Code card. Enjoy. Sorry about that. I almost did the 4 count the reverse way. Okay, Leaf Energy, League Staff, Charmeleon, Pincherinch, Seedot, Fanfi, Shuppet, Poochyena, Voltorb, Execute, and Drapion V. Okay, let's go. Let's get her sleeved and then we can move on to the next pack. I need to learn to talk more, but I'm always told that I talk too much, so I don't know which is right. Okay, here we go. Oh, next we got the code card. We're almost there. Next we do the count, and then we start off with Leaf Energy, Trumbic, Mightyena, Duskopsite, Eevee, Railu, Chottle, Shuppet, Trubbish, Flareon Reverse. Nice. I love that card. I love that Beedrill. I love that artwork of that Flareon. I really do. Let's get to our second to last pack. Okay. Next code card for you guys. Enjoy. Get something good. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know why I flipped it one way and then flipped it the other way. It's one of my weird ticks by the looks of it. Fighting Energy, Nessa, Trumbeck, Pincherinch, Voltorb, Duskull, Galarian Meowth, Yanma, Phanpy, Clobbopus, and Manectric. Okay, let's tidy up these cards a little bit. Sorry, okay. Let's get to our last pack. Let's hope for last pack magic, huh? Code card for you guys. Okay, here we go. Steel Energy or Metal Energy, Kakuna, Moo Moo Cheese, Sableye, Cottonee, Clobbopus, Electrike, Execute, Eevee, Go-Go, and Aegislash V. Nice. Last pack, magic. It's good. I haven't had much luck in my pull rates lately. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please think about subscribing to the channel and liking the video. And leave a comment. Which of the cards did you like the most? And I'll see you guys in the next one. So next it's gonna be a short, but let's hope it turns out well. Alrighty, I'll see you.